just pulled over. I'm doing my good deed of the day. Bramble technically is almost like the kind of the biggest, by far the biggest carnivorous plant. Because look, if there was no humans about to attend to this situation here, this sheep would die, get mangled up, and just, yeah, be gone. Be nothing, and the plant would creep over it, take all the nutrients from the sheep, and then you get this. So this is why bramble can be a pain in the ass when you have sheep. But this is why I forgot my secateurs, so hopefully does the trick. But this sheep is scared the hell out of me. So it's running that way, which is worse. I want it to run towards me, so I need to go around it. But we'll see what I can do anyway. Freedom. I have to kind of trust my hori knife. Recommend one of these. You can dig, you can cut, you can poke, you can do all sorts with it. But yeah, lovely, lovely knife. Got a little measuring spade there too. But there's 3 lambs only. It's not even a year old, I bet. I learned its lesson. Stay away from bramble. And look, the gorse is about to pop out in bloom. And if you know about gorse is proper prickly, like one of the prickliest plants I know, but it smells like coconut. Get a whiff. Is it called again? Ulex something? In the description. But yeah, things are starting to pop out now, so it's got a lot of gorse around here. Gorse and brum and bramble, you name it, a lot of heather, plantain. Anyway, let's just get home. I've got some eggs to clean. There's that sheep.